So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, very much looking like we are basically bottoming out in this local area. I did think we'd get like so many other cryptos, this big W double bottom pattern playing out straight away, where we do basically come back up into this area at around between 50 and 60 cents at the 0.23 Fibonacci, doing something like this. But as you can see, Polygon didn't actually get enough steam to get back up there, so we've come down again and retested this bottom low area down here, as you can see, pretty much putting in a bit of a range really like this. As we continue to chop sideways, this is a bit of an anomaly because it was such a ridiculous pump and dump. It doesn't even really count in my opinion. You can see really all we've been doing is consolidating near the bear market range low for Polygon for some time. But you can see obviously we've broken out of our downtrend resistance and now consolidating, waiting for the reversal in my estimation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside and then consolidating and going sideways. This seems much more likely to be an area of demand than at supply in my opinion. Seems very likely that we'll start to make a reversal from this area. And you can see Polygon right now very much just consolidating, waiting for Bitcoin to lead the market back to the upside. Polygon here very much looking like it is basically in a huge area of demand down here at this previous consolidation at around 30-40 cents. In my opinion, we'll probably head back up towards the all-time high over the next year, maybe get a bit more, maybe up to $5, $6, $7 for Polygon if we can get back up there before the bull market runs out. But right now, not that much to say in the local area. We are basically just chilling and waiting for this to basically move back to the upside to recapture some of this territory it's been in for the majority of the bear market, to be honest. Right now, just chilling and waiting. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100, and like and subscribe for more.